Today in this video, we're gonna learn how to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription. Whether you've just joined the free trial of Amazon Prime or if you have been using the Amazon Prime subscription, you can easily cancel the subscription. Now the way that you do it is just open up the website of primevideo.com and then just make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are logged in, just click on your name or your profile name on the top right and then open up accounts and settings. From here you'll land on the accounts and settings page. You can see tons of options that you can manage for your account. Under Prime Video, you'll see an option of end membership. If you don't see these options, make sure that you are on the your accounts tab and you'll see this option right here. Just click on end membership and it's going to give you a few details about when your membership will end. So just click on end membership and it will also give you the date. So just click on this option and your Prime membership will be cancelled. So that was a quick and easy video on how to cancel your membership or subscription of Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, make sure you comment down below. That's going to be all for today's video and I'll see you guys in the next one.